So I'll be teaching you how to start your own prayer channel. Okay, so as you can see, this channel was created on May 7th, 2022, and it has 760,000 subscribers, over 19 million views, and the channel have 562 videos currently. Okay, so as you can see, the latest video has 45,000 views in the last 23 hours. Okay, so as you can see, this channel is literally making lots of money. Okay, so let's take a look at the analytics. As you can see, this channel have 5.4 million views in the last 30 days only, and it have 27,000 subscribers in the last 30 days, 1.3 thousand dollars in the last 30 days, and $15,000 last year. So this is not accurate, but Social Blade usually put it on average. Okay, so now let's get right into the video. So the first tool we'll be needing is Google Gemini. Remember, Google Gemini have been integrated into YouTube, so it makes it easier to write YouTube script with Google Gemini. Okay, so if you tell Google Gemini, so I told it to give me 30 days content ideas for my faceless prayer channel. Okay, so let's wait for it to write the whole content idea. So as you can see, this is the 30 days content idea. Day one is a morning prayer to start your day with purpose. Night prayer for deep sleep and anxiety relief. Prayer for financial breakthrough and provision. Short prayer for health and healing. So and many more like that. So we are starting with day one. So all you have to do is to copy this title and then tell it to work on day one. Okay. So and also remember, if you take a look at this channel, you will notice that their video is very long. So it's more than 10 minutes. So we're also going for 10 minutes on average. So okay. So let's wait for Gemini AI to write the whole script. So as you can see, this is the intro. So all you have to do is to copy all of this. So you copy everything and you can paste it into your Google Doc, Notepad or Word, whatever word editing you are using. So you can paste it there and edit this part out. Like this part, you can cut them out. So now we are heading to generating our voiceover. So after copying everything, let's assume this one. I copied this one now. So this is the text to speech we'll be using. It's a free text to speech, and it also give you human voice, and you can also clone your voice. As you can see, we have voice cloning here, but we are not talking about that right now. So you click on this part here that says change voice, and then you click on these free voices and you scroll below and look for a male voice. So I'll be going with this one. because the voice is very deep. Okay, so you click on use and then you paste the script here. So you paste it. So after pasting, you click on generate speech and it will start generating. After generating, you can now download the speech. I can see it already generated. See? So click on download and click on download speech. As you can see, boom, it will start download. So it's already downloaded. So the next one is the video, the visual. So we'll be using a copyright free video. So you come to your browser and search for, okay, so when you come here, as you can see, there are a lot of websites where you can get it from, but the best one I usually use and I will recommend to you is Pixabay. So as you can see, Pixabay. So which is this first one? You click on it and let it open. Okay. So once it open, you click on this place and search for, there are different, you can use different type of video clip, whether nature, you can use maybe tree, snow falling, or ocean and all that. So let me just show you guys an example. So I type ocean and let it search. Okay, so so immediately I click on search, it shows me a lot of images. As you can see, over 2 million free images.